Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have Philips Saeco Espresso machine, and for this machine we just replaced the grinder, the one that you see right here. This machine was basically saying to add coffee whenever you were doing any kind of drink in it. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna use the hot water and then the steam one. I'm gonna do a couple of shots of coffee just to test the machine. Good color, good water flow coming out of the machine. 2 ounces of water, which is perfect. Cleansing the machine is in kind of the middle. And as you can see, no add coffee or any kind of error like that. We'll do it again. Another shot of espresso. Again, good water flow coming out of the machine, excellent color, good crema. And 2 ounces of water, which is perfect. Still the coffee inside and no add coffee message on the machine. And now for the final test, we're gonna use the hot water, which will be steam hot water. That should be that one over there. Nice steady stream. Excellent temperature as well, pretty hot. And now we're gonna test it with steam. Back to special. Now steam. Building up pressure. There you go, working perfectly fine. Excellent temperature, pretty hot, working good. And there you have it. It's Saeco Espresso working once again. So thank you so much for repairing my Kanen coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day. And thanks for watching.